Welcome to your next adventure at the crossroads of opportunity and dreams. I'm Rebecca Carter, bringing you an exclusive peek at this unique commercial and residential gem in Hudson, Kentucky. Picture this, your very own fully equipped restaurant and store, right here with everything from a state-of-the-art kitchen to a spacious dining area designed for both comfort and style. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked pizza and the buzz of a bustling store, all possible with the turnkey features this property boasts. New commercial appliances, a welcoming dining space, and a farm store stocked with food and necessities. But the dream doesn't end when the business day does. Step into a living space where luxury meets comfort. From a cozy home office to a chic kitchen, every detail caters to a serene lifestyle. And there's more, a versatile garage, stunning outdoor views, and the tranquility of Hudson's countryside. This isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle where work, play, and relaxation blend seamlessly. At the heart of Hudson, where Highway 401 and 84 meet, your dream awaits. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a chef, or someone seeking a unique blend of commercial and residential life, let's turn this listing into your reality. Contact me, Rebecca Carter, and let's start your adventure.